Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create a landing page. And if you have any problems coming up with ad copy to put on that landing page, I'll show you how to do that as well using a new software tool that I came across. All right, so we're going to start here. This is Lead Sleep. You could also create an email marketing system as well too. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the landing page builder and then my landing page. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to click here, add new campaign. And then we're just going to put in IPS for Infinity Processing System. We're just going to use that as an example. All right, so we have a new landing page campaign. We're going to click on here to add new page to start. All right, now you could use a share code, but if you don't have a share code, you're starting out, we're going to go ahead and add blank page. Okay, and down here where it says click this to start designing, we're going to go ahead and click launch editor. And then we're going to use send Steed leads lead list manager. You could actually import a third-party list manager as well if you have it. I'm just going to go with this for now. We're going to click on get list, and then we're going to click on IPS, right? And so the next step here, you're going to put in the your affiliate link here, or the company landing page, or whatever you want to put to redirect the customer to. And then you're going to click on template, and then these are the templates you have here. So you want to make yourself stand out, so you don't want to just use the template. I'm going to show you how you could completely change this and edit it. So we're going to choose this one here. All right, so it has a template, settings, it has different rows. Okay, so you could go all throughout here, and then you could just start editing. So settings, and then you could edit the background image. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this simple. So we're gonna just start deleting these. Confirm delete. Yes. So we're gonna delete this as well. Gonna delete this row. We're gonna delete this row. We're gonna have should just have one row left, and then boom, we just hold on. So we just delete this as well, and then we're just left with this. So if you want to keep the background, you can, but you could go back to settings, and then you could just change the background image. So they have a large gallery, photo gallery. Oh, this is the background here. Click on different images. So if you do like a work from home type of thing, you click on that, and then you could move this around, or there you go. Do that. Move it around in different backgrounds. All right. What I would do though, just because the simplest backgrounds I think get the most options, I think. So if you want to just keep it simple, you could just do image and then just color. Or you could do image and then gradient like that. Well, we're gonna go with that. And then to do ad copy, So this is where I was talking about earlier. We're gonna go into a new tool called Jarvis AI. So we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna type in infinity processing system, right? And then product description, this new marketing system spits spits out let's see, 300 $300 commissions posting ads on social media. Right, so we'll just delete this, and then generate the framework, the marketing angle that we're gonna use. All right, and then we're gonna just choose something here. We'll just do like a copy and paste. And then we'll go back to here, and then we'll just go here to edit. And then we'll just edit that and then center it here, and then we'll just get rid of this. Just get rid of that, get rid of that. You just hit the trash can just to delete that. And then this is just an rough example of what you could do. And then now if you want to if you just want to complete back, you want it to match the background, you could also do this, and then let's see, and then boom, there it is. And then you could just delete this if you don't want that, and then you could just center everything. Okay, now if you want to edit the button, you can. So go to down there in the corner radius, and then it changes. And then of course you could edit the text here. Now, if you are interested in getting Leads Leap to go ahead and create your landing page, go ahead and click the link below to get started. And if you are interested in Jarvis, go ahead and also click on the link to get your free trial.